Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi extender to its factory default settings. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or starting fresh with a new network, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. Resetting the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender Wi-Fi extender is necessary when you face connectivity issues, forget login credentials, or change your main router. It restores factory settings, allowing a fresh setup and resolving most performance or configuration-related problems. Next, plug your extender into a power outlet somewhere between your router and the area where you want to extend the Wi-Fi signal. Ideally, place it within range of your router for optimal performance. Now, we need to connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link extender default Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi network that starts with TP-Link_extender in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Find the reset button on your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. It's a tiny hole typically located on the side or bottom of the extender. Use a paperclip or pin to press it gently when performing a reset or restoring the device to factory settings. Gently press and hold the reset button with a pin or paperclip for 8 to 10 seconds. The LED lights will briefly turn off and then light up again, indicating that the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender has started the reset process successfully. After holding the reset button, release it and allow the extender to reboot. The power LED will blink during the restart process and eventually turn solid. This confirms that your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender has been successfully reset to its factory default settings. After the reset, the TP-Link RE105 will broadcast its default Wi-Fi name, usually something like TP-Link_extender. You can now set it up again using the WPS method or manual configuration through a web browser. If you face any issues or need assistance during the setup process, our expert support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713 anytime. And that's how you reset the TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi extender. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.